Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install MySQL on Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. The first thing you're going to do is open up your browser. In the search window here, type in MySQL, then hit enter. Select this first option, click downloads, scroll down and click this option. On this page, click MySQL installer for Windows. On this page, ensure that the most recent version is selected, and down here, click the second download button. This downloads the full package. Now on this page, you'll be asked to log into or create a new Oracle account. Now you don't need to do this, so you can just click this no thanks. Now the download will start. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and you'll see this installer here. Double click to run it. Ensure that you have turned your antivirus off in order to avoid any complications with the installation process. Now click run. Now on this page, we select the type of installation. I'm going to click custom and click next. Now let's choose the products we want to install. Click this little icon next to MySQL server. Click this one to expand it again. Then this. Now we select the latest version. Click this right arrow to add it. I will scroll down to applications. Click to expand. Then MySQL workbench. Once again, select the latest version and click this arrow to add it. Scroll down. And click MySQL shell. Like before, select the latest version. Click to add it. Now click next. Click execute. This might take a while. Once that's done, click next. Click next again. Now on this page, you don't really need to bother yourself too much with the settings. And leave everything as default. Click next. Once again, let's go with the default settings. Click next. Now on this page, you will be asked to create a root password. So just put in something you can remember. And down here, in the same thing. Now here it says my password is weak, but I won't worry too much about this since it's just for demonstration. Now here, if you have multiple users, you can create a user profile here. Follow the steps on screen. Now click next. I'm going to leave everything on default here. Next again. Click next. Then execute. Once that's done, click finish. Now click next. Ensure that these two options are selected. Then finally, click finish. Now on this page, click local instance MySQL and enter in the root password you created. OK. Wait for it to load up. By following these steps, you have successfully installed MySQL on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.